Welcome to Al-Balad. Today we are starting from Bab Makkah, and this is the gate of Mecca, one of the 8 gates of the wall of Jeddah, which is located in historical Jeddah. And this area is called Al-Balad. It's the center of Jeddah in the west of Saudi Arabia. Bab Makkah was historically the most important gate for Jeddah, Saudi Arabia's official pilgrim port. It stands at the start of the road that lead to Islam's holiest city. In the last 14 centuries, billions of pilgrims have passed beneath it. It is in front of Souk Al-Badu, one of Jeddah's oldest traditional markets. It's not fancy, it's raw, and it's real. And if you ask the right questions, the locals might just point you to what you're looking for. Join us to explore beautiful historical Jeddah, Al-Balad. Our first stop was Souk Al-Badu in Jeddah, and it's an authentic open-air market in Al-Balad, historic Jeddah, famous for its traditional Bedouin crafts, textiles, spices, and honey, offering visitors a chance to connect with Saudi heritage and culture. It's really known for its welcoming atmosphere. The souk is a great place to find high-quality souvenirs, traditional clothing, and locally sourced goods, with friendly vendors eager to share stories and history. It is the city's first school, and that's the amazing part, and features a variety of vendors. We went on a Friday, so it was a bit quiet, but this is Souk Al-Badu. The souk was alive with vibrant spices, colorful stores, glittering gold, and even miswak, Saudi Arabia's traditional chewing stick. On busy days, this market draws people from across Jeddah. As part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Al-Balad showcases traditional Hijazi architecture with coral stone houses and the beautiful wooden windows known as ravashun. During our walk, we were lucky to come across a vendor selling fresh miswak. But that was just the beginning. Wait until you see what happened next. You have to, I think so, chop it, yeah. Short one.
كده.
Yeah, just one. I want to try it out. No, one. How much?
هذا كده 15.
So let's pause here. This is where the vendor and myself couldn't understand each other. So he had to give me 3 and I had to buy it. That was the funniest moment exploring Al-Balad. 10. 10 real. So we're looking for a cafe called Historic Nights. And it's a rooftop cafe that supposedly gives you the best view of Jeddah's soul. So, you know what? We are trying to look for it. After exploring the souk, we tried to find the hidden cafe we had heard so much about. But the narrow streets of Al-Balad can feel like a maze, and before long, we were completely lost. We asked around, and that's when a kind, graceful lady offered to guide us. When we finally arrived, things didn't go quite as planned. The cafe didn't accept cards, and to our disappointment, they didn't even have the kunafa we had been craving. Still, the lady encouraged us to step inside and see what makes this place so special. Before we continue, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do also subscribe to the channel so you are notified whenever we publish a video. And if you like this video, then give us a like, comment down below to let us know if this video was helpful for you. Thank you. So we went to the rooftop, a terrace that overlooks the old town, where history seems to whisper through every coral stone wall and wooden window. Standing there felt like watching the past come alive. But just when we thought the adventure was over, something else happened that we didn't expect. So we are in a bit of a situation because where we are in Al-Balad, it's so hard getting a taxi or an Uber. I have called an Uber and I think it has arrived at a different location, so it's trying to get here to us. Let's see if we're going to miss it or not. We hope we don't. We never expected to get stuck in Al-Balad, but after an hour of waiting, our taxi driver kindly maneuvered his way through the narrow streets to reach us. By then, Jeddah had come alive. The city at night is a whole new experience, and we couldn't resist soaking in the beautiful evening scenes. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. Share your favorite moments from this video in the comments below. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more travel adventures like this. Until next time, travel, learn, and explore.